So these two are going in the fridge.
Is there any gas inside? Eh.
Hi, my loves. Welcome back to a brand new vlog. I have been having imposter syndrome. I literally just came back from the United Kingdom and thought to myself that you guys would not like to see me in Nigeria because I got a lot of subscribers and people were enjoying the UK content. And I felt like after sharing my results with you guys, you might not want to see the rest of my journey because quite alright, I wrote exams for the United Kingdom, but I honestly am not sure I'm going to go there anytime soon because there's like a lot of technicalities to the process. Fine, God can do his big one and make the process a lot faster, but for now, I'm still going to be based in Nigeria, working in Nigeria. I have my family in Nigeria, so I'll be doing things in Nigeria. And I felt like I don't have anything exciting to show you guys because, truth be told, going to the UK for my exams and the whole exam process was not cheap. It was pretty expensive, and had to stop working 2 months to the exams because the exam was in 1 month, and I had to use another month to like fully lock in and prepare. So I didn't have like much money left, and I just suddenly came back to work, and I just felt like you guys might not want to see my face and my life here in Nigeria. So I have been feeling very shaky about filming, and literally every time I want to set up the camera, I look at myself and I tell myself that you do not have anything to offer to these people and they might not like the content you will create. So guys, comment down below if you think I should still be consistent on here, or you guys want to wait till I go back to the UK again. Let me know. But yeah, I decided to pick myself up, irrespective of what anyone thinks. This is how my life is going to unfold, and I decided to take you guys on the journey with me to the UK. And it's literally my life unfolding in different phases, and I'm not ashamed about it, especially about the fact that I haven't received salary in 2 months. So yeah, my bank account is not looking very rosy, and I really wanted to come back and do like home updates to my entire home, but it wasn't like possible because there's no fund to, money to fund that. And I just decided, let me just take every process, every part of my life step by step. I don't want to rush into anything and end up, regretting it. But the first two updates that I've been able to make, which came from a place of necessity, is first of all, you can see how pretty I'm looking. I made my hair, but we'll talk about that in a bit. First thing I did was I got a gas cooker because my former gas cooker literally decided to give up on me. Y'all, it was not working and I was so scared. I just had to go and get a new gas cooker. And that gas cooker, I started using it and I was boiling a pot of rice on it. The pot of rice, the water literally fell, the hot water coming, the steam coming from the pot of rice just poured on the surface of the gas frame. And it's not really looking cute. And it made me so angry because I really want to film using the gas. And I feel like you guys might not find it aesthetic enough. But it's not so bad. I decided to get out of my head and tell myself that I will still film, with you guys, saying how I use the gas. Now there's a lot going on in my life that I need to update you guys about. Let's talk about the exams. You still need to pay for the license because the main aim of the exams was to get a license to practice in the UK because I only have a license to practice in Nigeria. And the money that I'm supposed to pay, the process I'm supposed to go through is not easy. The funny thing is my IELTS has expired, so I have barely 3 months to make it work, and it's a lot. But the monetary pressure, the pressure of just having to go through the process in that 3 months is very, very stressful. It has been really stressful for me, but God is helping me. I'm going through the process, and I'm just hoping that everything works out, because each process you have to go through is going to take a while before each person gets back to you. And nobody explained any of this to me. If I knew, I would have done this part of the licensing, at least a better half of it, before writing the PLAP2 exams. But it's fine. We have an advantage, which is God, and I just hope God, settles this the way He has been taking me through all the stages. So the second thing is, getting a job there is not as easy, and I would still have to write another exam for that. But and I will still have to, like, basically also apply for jobs myself. And I heard that the process is not at all easy, but like I said, we have an advantage. We have God, and yeah, that's enough. So we're going to use that to our advantage. Literally just praying, working with the process, and just trusting God. So I might not talk to you guys a lot about the process until I, like, have gone to an extent, and then I'll now give you guys like an update about how it's going. So that's that for the exams. For the other updates that I have, I started work. I'm going to be doing a 24-hour call tomorrow, Sunday, and I'm going to be doing an afternoon shift, series of afternoon shifts as well. My afternoon shift goes into the night, so it's not like I'm going to just be doing the afternoon shifts and come back in the evening. No, I'm literally going to end by 9 p.m. at night, from 2 p.m. to 9 p.m. every day. So I might take you guys along with me for the call. Call is literally just like staying in the hospital for 24 hours. And because from there I'll now progress into the afternoon shift. So I might shower in the hospital, stay there, and just do the shift from there, so that I'm not going to be, very go mental because it's going to be very stressful. And the next update I want to give you guys is, I literally got a fridge. I did not buy a fridge. There was a fridge that my dad was able to get from someone that was moving out, and so he got it. It's a very ugly fridge. The front is a bit nice, but inside, yo, child, I am going to clean the fridge. I might film while I'm cleaning it, but you guys are not even going to see the inside. That's how not aesthetically nice looking the inside of the fridge is, but it's working. That's what counts, right? What counts is that it's working, so we're going to use that to our advantage. And I'm just going to clean the inside of the fridge. I am currently preparing to head out. We have church cleanup and setup, and I just want to go there. I feel like I might not be welcomed because I left Sam for like 2 months, even though I settled my coordinator before leaving. I feel like everybody's going to look at me like, where have you been? But yeah, I want to go to church for setup. And today's a Saturday, so because tomorrow I won't be in church because of my work. So I might as well just go to church today and set up. So that's how I feel, and that's what I'm preparing to go to. So yeah, the fridge, we're going to get something to clean it after church, after setting up for church, and then I'm going to get it, come back home, clean it. And I have my friend's cover letter to do for her. We're also like going through different processes. She's going through the USMLE pathway, and I want to help her with her cover letter because I write as well. So yeah, there's that. So I need to do that when I come back. Currently reading a novel. It's called Love Hypothesis, and oh, child, that novel is amazing. I haven't been drawn in and loving the novel since forever. It's so beautiful. I don't have it in the hard copy, so I cannot show it to you because I'm using my phone to film. But that novel is so nice. I love it. And I'm currently on page 248. When I'm done with the novel, I'll tell you guys what it's all about. So that's what's been keeping me company. I got some things because I noticed that my face has been getting a bit dark. A bit very dark, and even my hands, I think the Dudu Ocean I'm using contributed, and I feel like the Vaseline I'm using is contributing as well. But child, let's start with scrapping the Dudu Ocean because I cannot even afford to stop using Vaseline. Vaseline, my skin is dry. Vaseline moisturizes my skin for me, and I don't know what I would use to replace that moisturization process. Got this yesterday. It was, it's not as expensive as other shower gels, so I decided to get it. I also got a deodorant. This Nivea Pearl and Beauty is my favorite. It's a bit expensive, but it does the work, and I'm happy with that. How cute is this hair? I was very skeptical about the corals, but I love the corals as well. I wanted to do 27 and 30 color of attachments, but my hospital only allows black and they don't allow like really blonde colors. So we have to just do black. But so far, I think it's very cute. I look neat. I look nice. I feel fresh. I just love how the hair looks like. So yeah, that's the way the hair is. I'm going to be carrying it for a pretty long time as well. So yeah, that's basically the update I wanted to give you guys. I just hope that, me filming, you guys continue to watch my vlogs because this is how it is for me right now. And I'm taking you guys through my life. It's a phase, and each phase we just have to work with it. Guys, just bear with me and let's do this together. So I'm really running late. Let me go and prepare and then head out for church setup. And I'll see you guys when I come back to clean the fridge. Or when I'm in the hospital for my shift tomorrow, which is a full day shift. Wish me luck on the shift and I'll see you guys soon.